What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys, I am back with another Blendjet 2 recipes for you guys. These are 3 healthy immune boosting smoothies that I got from the Blendjet recipe book, Next Gen Blending. You guys, these recipes are very simple to make. They're very healthy for you and, like I said, easy to make. So if you want to know how to make these, just keep on watching. So the first smoothie that I'm going to be making is the mixed berry smoothie. This recipe only has 4 ingredients, so it's very easy to make. And you only have to blend 2 cycles or 3, whatever you choose. But what I'm going to do is just put what I'm using on the screen and also the amount of what I'll be using. As you see, I'm going to try to put this banana in, but it's not enough room. So what I'm going to do is blend it first so that I can get it all mixed up and then add the banana afterwards. After I blended my smoothie about 4 times, I am now going to pour into my glass just to show you guys the consistency of the smoothie. Okay, so for the second smoothie that I'm going to be making will be the chocolate peanut butter smoothie, which only has 5 ingredients. You only have to blend it for 1 cycle or 2 to get the consistency that you would like. And again, I will be putting the ingredients up on the screen. glass. So again, you can see the consistency of how the Blendjet 2 blends up the smoothie. Okay, you guys, so the third and last smoothie that I'm going to be making is the strawberry banana smoothie. For this smoothie, it only has 5 ingredients as well, and you can blend for 2 to 4 cycles. So again, I'm going to be putting on the screen all the ingredients that I will be using. I am done with smoothie number 3. I am about to pour it into my handy dandy glass just to show you guys again the consistency of how the Blendjet 2 blended this smoothie. Look at that, smooth. Alright, you guys, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed watching me make these smoothies, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell. See you in the next one.